Why such generosity?
Well, the plain fact of the matter is, if we don't give it away, we have to knock it down brick by brick and just leave it as it was, as bare mountainside. And this seems an awful waste, since everybody who's been to see it says what a splendid reproduction it is, and it's built absolutely solidly. You know, it's built of stone and local stone and breeze block, and proper slates and tiles on the roof. The chimneys all work. I mean, it's not like a normal film set, which, as you know, is a sort of flimsy affair and is meant to last 2 or 3 weeks. This will last for 25 years or 30 years if it isn't disturbed. And therefore it's a big job to knock it down, and it seems sad to have created a sort of solid village and then just to destroy it.
Can literally anybody have it?
Anybody can have it, yeah. I mean, the only problem is that they will have to, presumably, deal with the people on whose land it is built. And this, it's not, I think, not even very good grazing land. It's sheep grazing land, and it doesn't cover a very large area. Obviously, the people who own the land will have to be part of whatever undertaking takes on the village and turns it into whatever it turns it into, a tourist centre, some kind of a landmark.
You're not specifying. Anything can become it.
No, anything. And what is more, we've agreed that we will make good any of the buildings, and some of the buildings have flimsy backs to them. All these we will replace with stone and brick, and every building will be made absolutely solid. We will repaint all the fronts with the kind of paint that is more durable than some of the paint we've used, so that you have a village which will stand for 30, 40 years.